Hello and welcome. In this video we will talk about how we can transfer data between Tally and Zoho. First we need to open our Tally, then we need to download the customization file in our computer in any folder. Once file will download, come to your Tally, click on F1 help, then TTL and add-ons, then F4 manage local TTL, make this option yes. Go to the location by clicking on select drive where you have kept your customization file, enter, then select the file, then click on accept button. So see, file is loaded now. Once file get loaded, you will get the option Zoho integration in your gateway of Tally. In Zoho integration, first we need to enable the connection between Zoho and Tally. For that we need to come to configuration. Here we need to put organization ID, client secret and secret code. Organization ID we can get from our Zoho book. Log into your Zoho book, click on your profile picture. Here you will get the organization ID. Copy the organization ID, paste here. For client ID and client secret and secret code, we need to log into the console. We can directly log in console from Tally itself. Here is the option to log in console. Click on login console, provide your email ID and password, click on get started. Below you will get the self client and create now option. Click on create now. Here click on create. Are you sure to enable self client? Make this option OK. We'll get the client ID. Here we need to click and copy. Come to Tally, paste the client ID. Same, we can copy the client secret also, paste here. Now we need to put the code. For code, come to console, generate code. Here we need to define the scope. What will the scope? The scope will be the Zoho books.fullaccess.all. Type here Zoho books.fullaccess.all. Select time duration. Type the description for your references and click on create. You will get the code, copy the code, come to Tally and paste here. After, save the screen by clicking on accept button. Now screen is getting saved. Now connection done. After that we need to do some Tally to Zoho configuration. For that we need to click here Tally to Zoho configuration. By default Tally will transfer everything in Zoho. But if you don't want to transfer opening balance, you need to make this option yes. And opening balance, whatever the opening balance date will be, from that date only transaction will transfer. So if opening balance is 1st April 2022, data will sync from 1st April 2022 only. If you are maintaining manual voucher numbering, make this option yes. Like if Zoho voucher number of sales is manual, make this option yes. Save this screen after doing required configuration by pressing here, or you can shortcut key with the Control A. After that we need to do some configuration in the Zoho book. Come to the Zoho book. Here click on setting, come to the preferences. Here click on items. Here we need to enable the inventory tracking. Save the screen. After that, invoices we required from Tally. For that we need to create some custom button. For that, for example, if we required sales invoices, click on invoices. Here field customization. Here we need to create two custom field by pressing here. So I have created two custom field like Tally voucher number and Tally master ID. So name will be Tally voucher number, data type will be text box. Save the screen. Then Tally master ID, name will be Tally master ID, data type text box. Save the screen. Now setting in Zoho also done. After that we will transfer data. So once if you come to the Zoho integration, we have two options, Tally to Zoho books and Zoho books to Tally. So Tally to Zoho books, first we try. In Tally to Zoho book we have two options, master and transaction. First we will go for the masters. Here ledger and stock. Ledger will means all the accounting master and stock item means all the inventory master. But before transferring ledger or stock, we need to verify if all the ledger is proper, all the stock is proper. For that, we need to come the utilities under ledger report. Here master type, exception data error, enter. See, a customer B in Tally having wrong GST number, customer C having the special character. So we need to clear this error before transferring the data. Same error will get the stock item if any special character is there. Come to the stock item report, master type, exception data error. So if any special character is there like space, we need to remove. We can remove special character if it's space by selecting space bar. We'll select the item. If many item is there having the space, we can select control space and select all the item and click here remove special character. So process completed. Special character having space only has been removed. Now we can transfer the data. We'll click in ledger, upload ledger to Zoho, make this option yes. So once ledger has transferred, we can check the report. In ledger report, master type, select completed data. Here see, we got the Zoho ID for each our ledger available in Tally, and the message also came like contact has been added. Now we'll try to transfer the stock item. Come to the stock item, upload stock item to yes. So after transferring the stock, we can see the stock report. Come to the stock item report, master type F4, complete data. See, item has been added. We got the Zoho message and Zoho ID. Now we will pass one transaction and we'll try to push in Zoho. Come to the voucher, select the customer, then select the item. We'll pass the transaction in current date and we'll save the invoices. Now we'll transfer the data. Zoho integration, transaction. If you want, you can transfer all the transaction in one shot by selecting all transaction. If you want to transfer a particular invoice on type only, then you can select like that. If I select sales invoice, upload sales invoice. After transfer the transaction from Tally to Zoho, we can check the report. Here in transactions, status, we have three status. If any pending is there, you can see. If transaction not able to transfer, any error, we can see. Uploaded transaction means the transaction which uploaded successfully in Zoho. So see, we got the Zoho ID and invoice has been added. And the same transaction is available in the Zoho. Item which we have transferred, it came in Zoho book. Same customer from Tally to Zoho, it came. So like that we can transfer data from Tally to Zoho. Now we'll try to transfer data from Zoho to Tally. Come to Tally. So under Zoho integration, we have option Zoho books to Tally. Here master, same like Tally, while transferring to Tally to Zoho. So we have two master, ledger and stock. Now we'll try to download ledger from Zoho book. Click on ledger, download ledger from Zoho. Make this option to yes. So we'll get three options: auto, manual and cancel. Auto means if Zoho name and Tally name will be same, automatically it will get mapped if you press A. If you want to do manual mapping, make M. If you want to cancel this operation, press N. So as for your convenience, you can do it. The same way we can download the stock item also. Download the stock item from Zoho to yes. So here also the same option, auto mapping based on the Zoho item and Tally item. If match, it will get auto map. If you want to do manual mapping, press M, and if you want to cancel this operation, press N. So now we'll do manual mapping. See, Zoho have item called Zoho item. Select that item. In Tally, will show whatever item available in Tally. So in Tally there is no such item. So I will go for the option for create. Then unit of measure I will select and end of list. So now mapping of stock item is completed. Here we can see also whatever the stock item has mapped or ledger report has ledger is mapped. Come to the stock item, master type, mapped master. So see, all the item is mapped in Tally. Now we'll pass one transaction in Zoho and we'll try to download that transaction in Tally. To come to Zoho book, sales invoices, create. We select the customer, then we select the item, and we'll save and send it. So transaction is saved. Now I will download that transaction. So in Tally we can download in Zoho integration, Zoho book to Tally transaction. Here I can download all transaction from Zoho to Tally if I press on all transaction, or if we want to download a particular transaction from Zoho, so we can select that invoices type also. In sales invoice we'll provide the period from which period we want to download the transaction, and it will ask import sales transaction, yes or no. Make this option to. So if transaction having any ledger which not available in Tally, it will show auto map, manual map, or cancel the operation. We will go for manual map. So in Zoho we have CGST 0, in Tally we have CGST. We'll map like that. In Zoho SGST 0, in Tally only SGST is there. We'll select SGST. CGST 9% in Zoho, in Tally we have common ledger of CGST, so we'll select like that. SGST 9, in Tally only SGST. In Zoho sales is there, in Tally sales GST is there. So in Zoho ledger is called Zoho customer is there. Tally we don't have that ledger. We'll go for create under sundry debitors and end of list. Now ledger mapping is done and transaction is getting downloaded. So in Tally you can see the transaction which we have passed in the Zoho is come with the ID. So like that we can do the transaction transfer between Tally to Zoho. Hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.